Is your PC running slow and laggy? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to wipe out all the junk and hidden cache from Windows 10 and 11 and make your system fast like new. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First click Windows plus R, then type prefetch. Then enter. Then you have to give permission, so click continue. Turns out, my PC's stuffed with cache I didn't even know about. So let's remove this. Once you get there, click Ctrl A. Then Shift plus delete. Okay, you might not be able to delete certain files because your system is using them right now. After we finish that, click Windows plus R and type temp. Okay. Click continue. Ctrl A. Shift plus delete. Then OK. Go back and Windows plus R, then type %temp%. Then enter. Ctrl A. Shift plus delete. OK. Now let's refresh and once again click Windows plus R. Then type cleanger. OK. You don't have to change now, it is already done, so enter. Select all, then OK. Delete all files. And that's it. Your PC should be running smoother and faster now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.